פסחים, פרק ה' משנה ה'. מכאן ועד סוף פרקנו, from here until the end of the chapter, באות המשניות ללמד, these משניות are coming to teach, כיצד היו נוהגים בעזרה בשחיטת הפסחים. They describe what was the custom, what it used to do in the courtyard of the temple, when it comes to the Pesach sacrifice. How it was done. In a regular day, you bring one sheep, another bull, once in a while, but it's not like an industrial line. Over here, you need like to do a line, like a manufacturing line, to have so many sheep come through. So how was it done? So it says like this. הפסח נשחט בשלוש כיתות. The Pesach is slaughtered in three groups. שנחלק הציבור לשלוש כיתות ששחטו את פסחיהם בזו אחר זו. They were divided into three groups that they shechted one after another.
Let me just ask, was the groups have one sheep or it can have 3-4 sheep?
No. The groups are thousands of people.
So how many sheep?
As many as these thousands of people
need the sheep.
Yeah.
Thousands of people?
Yeah, thousands of people, every group. Yeah. שנאמר, because it says, ושחטו אותו כל קהל עדת ישראל. It says, and they slaughtered him, כל קהל, all the community, קהל, the multitude, עדת, the nation of Israel. קהל ועדה וישראל. We use 3 words over there. Oh, what's the difference? מכאן שהמצווה היא לשחוט את הפסח בשלוש כיתות. It says, congregation and Jews. Yeah, קהל and עדת, it's almost the same thing. Yeah, congregation and Jews. So it means 3 times. בגמרא אמרו, in the Gemara says, שאין כת פחותה מ30 בני אדם. It says, a group is not allowed to be less than 30. It can be 5 million, but not allowed to be less than 30. And what happens, but then here you have a problem. Let's say everybody is tameh, everybody is impure, and you only have 50 people who are pure. You don't have 90 people. How are you going to do it? ואם היו הכל 50, if you only had, for example, 50 people, נכנסים בתחילה 30. So in the beginning, in the first group, 30 men should go in, ויוצאים 10, ונכנסים 10. And 10 should go out, and 10 should come in. The next 10. וחוזרים ויוצאים 10 ונכנסים 10. And then another 10 go out, another 10 come in, to make sure there's always 30 men there. So even the other 30 people, the other 20 are not doing anything because they already did the Pesach sacrifice. They wait there for the third group. But you need to go through 3 groups. A minyan for the Pesach sacrifice is 30 people. Very good. Think about it like that. It's not a minyan, but the idea. You need to have at least 30 people. Okay, so let's see what happens. נכנסה כת הראשונה. The first group came in. נתמלאת העזרה. You fill out the entire courtyard. Israel, the entire courtyard with Jews. Fill. Everybody pushes. Go in. כשנכנסה הכת הראשונה ונתמלאה העזרה, you can't push any more people in. נעדלו דלתות העזרה. You lock the gates behind them. כדי שלא ידחקו להיכנס עוד, because you leave it open, people are going to start pushing in more. That's it. You cannot, there's no reason to push now. That's it. Whoever is in, whoever is out. And what did he do? And then תקעו והריעו ותקעו. I think it wasn't the shofar, I think it was חצוצרות. It was made out of trumpets. So they did tkiya, trua, tkiya. Tkiya, trua, and tkiya again. The Kohanim made these sounds. והתחילו לשחוט את פסחיהם. And everybody started slaughtering the sheep. הכוהנים עומדים שורות. And the way it was like an assembly line, like I said. It wasn't one guy, everybody had a job. And even from all the way from the korban, from the Pesach sacrifice to the Mizbeach, there's going to stood like 50, 60, 70 Kohanim. And they would, you see what they did? ובידיהם בזיחי כסף ובזיחי זהב. And they had cups of gold and cups of silver in their hands. בזיחים היינו כפות גדולות לקפל בהם את הדם. They were cups, big cups, to receive the blood in it. שורה שכולה כסף כסף. And they didn't mix. It was either a silver line or it was a gold line. So there was two lines, silver or gold. ושורה שכולה זהב, and a line that all of it is gold. בשורה אחת עמדו הכהנים שבידיהם זיחי כסף, ובשורה אחת אלה שבידיהם זיחי זהב. Like I said, two lines, one of gold, one of silver. ולא היו מעורבים, and they would never mix. Silver line would stay silver, and gold line would stay gold. Why did they do this? Why did they mix it? כדי להרבות בהודו ובהדרו של מעמד חגיגי זה. So it will look very, in a nice way.
But it didn't make a difference if you stand in the line of silver
No.
and gold.
No.
Just for the look.
Yeah, Kabbalistically, I'm sure there's a difference, but not halachically, no. ולא היו לבזיחים שוליים. On these cups were special cups. It wasn't like a cup with a bottom. It didn't have a bottom. It came to a point, which means like it was. So if you leave it down, it will spill. There was no way to let go of this cup.
You have to hold it like glitter.
Yeah, exactly. It looked like an ice cream cone. ולא היו לבזיחים שוליים מלמטה, and they had no space. They were not flat on the bottom. אלא היו עגולים או חדים. They were round or they were sharp at the bottom, מתחתיהם, from the bottom. Why? כדי שלא יוכלו להניחם על הרצפה, because you're afraid, it's very busy, people are going to put them on the floor, and then what happens? שמא יניחום הכהנים וישכחון. There's a busy day today, the Kohani might leave it in the floor somewhere, because he needs to do something, shecht or whatever, and then what happens? יקרש הדם, the blood inside it, if it doesn't move all the time, it's going to become congealed, and then you can't sprinkle it on the mizbeach, and the whole thing is no good. ולא יהיה ראוי לזריקה, and then it will not be able to throw it on the mizbeach. So it was done in such a way that you will never be able to put it down.